A pulling off to the G, and on the fourth string, back to the G chord. To the C chord, back to G. G and the C chord, it's just a riff connecting the C chord to the G chord, and then kind of a lead in, kind of just a moving bass line. My right hand is doing this. Tapping on that bridge. Set up for the slow. Round the corner, bend, we can never know where we may be then. Well, when we get there, be sure we're gonna need a friend. Hear him calling A minor 7. Message at the door.